Tuesday again. My next webinar number 18, is going to be all about muscle. We have been focused on fascia, we've been focused on this connective tissue and of course what it's holding in place. Fascia is a scaffolding, and so we're going to be looking at the thing that the scaffolding is there for, and in this instance it's muscle. So we're going to get into some of the physiology of it, we're going to get into the fuel of it, we're going to see what drives it, and of course we're going to look at the fascia that surrounds it and how it gets held in place, and we're going to look at how muscle gets down to bone and the things that attach muscle to bone, but also the relationship that muscle has with muscle. So muscle's big, muscle's small, it doesn't make a lot of difference. So kind of going to drill down into a bit of the detail. I really love some of the detail around the muscle, and it's a fascinating subject. It's its own cell. There's loads of things going on in there, and so I'm pretty excited about spending some time revisiting muscle. So please join me, webinar number 18. It's all about the muscle. See you then.